Hello everyone, today I cooking a dish that is close to my heart, at least to my childhood, where I spend my time with my family. So if you're curious what that is, please come to the kitchen with me. I will show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. So this is the recipe I wrote down for you. If you cannot follow it, stop your device and get it down. So this is noodle cooked with bamboo shoots in pork bones and pork knuckles broth. Sound very delicious. I hope you think so. So because last Saturday I went to farmer market and I bought a bamboo shoot. So now for the broth, I have pork knuckles here and pork bones. So first I blanch them. So you got the water enough to cover them with 1 tablespoon of salt and vinegar, and you blanch for 3 minutes. When it's a little, go a little not raw looking, 3 minutes only, and then you took them out. Don't cook it too long, because if you cook it too long, the quality, the goodness from the bones and the knuckles leaching out. Now after that, I use this skill, the wok, but you can use any soup pot, okay? 1 liter or 1 quart of water with garlics, shallots, onions, and whole black peppercorns. And I get the water a little warm up, and then I drop the bones and the knuckles that we blanched earlier in. Remember, I have blood cake. We love the blood cake. I bought at the Vietnamese market. It's not easy to find because I need to go to that market to get them. Where I live, to travel to this one about 45 minutes. So it's not easy for me, like everyday shopping. I need to make special trip for it. And it's total optional. You can leave it out if you don't want it or feel strange about it. Now the star of this dish is bamboo shoot, and I show you how to remove the shell. You can go lengthwise like this, make an incision on the way, and then you remove the shells. Get a sharp knife, make the incision and get the first shell out, and then you go to the next. You see, it's difficult for me because my knife is not sharp. It don't cut the own way through. Oh, here you go. So you just make incision, you don't cut it down, and you remove the shell. That's the one way. I show you another way is I feel it easier. That at every knot you make incisions again, shallow incision, and then go around and remove the shell. And do that for every dot of bamboo shoot, and then you will take them all out. Now it is right here very soft, so it broke that out for me. And I continue to remove the skin. Now that's what you have left, and you estimate by your touching and maybe poking to determine which part is tender. So you see the top broken part, I'm absolutely sure it's tender, but the bottom part, the green one outside, outer skin green there, I remove half of it because the other half totally tough and cannot be eaten. So you remove the skin with the peeler and then slide the rest thinly like so, and those are edible. You can see in America is if you eat bamboo shoot, it's a luxury because you bought the whole bamboo shoot, but you cannot eat much because all of them are tough, you need to throw away. Now to make it edible, you need to bring the water to the boil with 1 tablespoon of salt, and then you blanch it. You need to blanch, cook boiling water, and then you drain, and then you need to do it 3 times until the bamboo shoot you bite into it is not bitter anymore. So I have the pot here, so I cook the noodle already also. You just bring the water to the boil and drop in your noodle, and then you drain them. Now I already cook my broth with the bones and the pork knuckles. Now because I eat alone, so I transfer into the small pot for 1 bowl or 2. So I season my broth with fish sauce, peppercorn, and salt, and that's it. I drop in the bamboo shoot for about 10 minutes. You don't need to cook too long. And now we're ready to present onto the bowl, and we are ready to eat. So this is my pork. I picked 1 pork knuckles, 1 pork bone, and now my blood cake. The blood cake is very good for our body because they said that they will detox everything that not good in your body. It will come out with the blood when you go into digestion. Now I have green onion, and I couldn't write it down in the recipe because I have no room, but you should have the green pepper or green onion and cilantro if you prefer to. Chop small and drop in the soup when the broth when you are done like so. Now I ladle my broth onto the bowl and And that's it. I eat it with a little chili pepper. It's your choice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.